Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So today we start the questions based on equation of tangents and equation of normal. So you note the question, find the equation of tangents. Yes, right. Find the equation of tangent and normal. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax at the point at square 2at at square 2at means you have to find the equation of tangent and normal at the given point on the curve, means parabola. So what you do, first of all you have to find the derivative of the given curve, okay, at the given point. So you're right. So here you have y square is equal to 4ax. Now you're differentiating it with respect to x. So you have differentiating with respect to x, we get so 2y dy by dx, 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a, okay. So the value of dy by dx is equal to 2a upon y, 2a upon y. Is it clear? Okay. Now if you have here the value of derivative, now find its derivative at the given point. So the value of dy by dx at the point at square 2at, at square 2at. So you can write 2a upon 2at and is equal to 1 upon t. So that gives the value of derivative. Now already you know the equation of tangent. So you write it. So equation of tangent is, yes, first you write y minus y1. Now putting the value of y1, and that y1 is what? 2at. So y minus 2at in is equal to the value of derivative at the given point. So you have 1 upon t into x minus x1. So you have x minus at square. X minus at square. Understand? Now you are taking here cross multiplication. So what you have in this case, so t is transferred to this side, that we multiplying to each of the term. So you can write ty minus 2at square is equal to x minus at square, x minus at square, or you can write x minus ty. Yes, you write x minus ty plus at square is equal to 0. So that gives the equation of tangent. That gives the equation of tangent. Note it. Any doubt to finding the value of equation of tangent?
No,
Okay. So if you want to find the equation of normal, so in that case you have to again applying, means only you have to change the slope of tangent, means only you have to change the, means you have to require the slope of normal. So if the slope of tangent is 1 upon t, so for normal what you do, you have to take its reciprocal and change its sign. So you can say the slope of normal is minus t. Slope of normal is minus t. So you write, yeah, right here. equation of normal. So equation of normal is, just right about equation of normal. So you have y minus y1, which is 2at in is equal to, here slope of normal is minus t into x minus x1, which is at square. So that is equal to minus tx plus at cube, tx plus at cube, or you can write it as tx plus y minus 2at minus at cube is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Understand? So in this way, you can find the slope of, sorry, equation of normal. So that was asked in 2013. Okay. In the same way, you note next question that was asked in 2004. Okay, right. Find the equation of tangent. Yes, right. I dictate you. Find the equation of tangent to the curve. Tangent to the curve x is equal to 1 minus cos theta. X is equal to 1 minus cos theta, and y is equal to theta minus sine theta. Theta minus sine theta. Understand? Here you have a curve at theta is equal to pi by 4. At theta is equal to pi by 4. Means here you have to find the equation of tangent to the curve x is equal to 1 minus cos theta, and y is equal to theta minus sine theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. Okay. So uh, here you can very easily find the derivative of the function, means curve. No problem for that. You can very easily find the value of dy by dx. Okay, but how you find the points? So here, if you are putting theta is equal to pi by 4 in the given curve, you have the point on the curve. You have the point of the curve. That means you have the value of x1 and y1. So first of all, you have to write that. So here, the value of x1 is 1 minus cos of pi by 4. So that is 1 minus 1 by root 2. 1 minus 1 by root 2, that gives the value of x1. In the same way, the value of y1 is equal to pi by 4 minus sine pi by 4. So that is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2. Pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2. Okay. So in this way, here you have the value of the points. Now what you do? You have to find its derivative. You have to find its derivative. So take it, dx by d theta. So the value of dx by d theta is equal to sine theta. And here the value of dy by d theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. Understand? Now you find the value of dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Dx by d theta. Understand? Now putting its value, so 1 minus cos theta divided by sine theta. 1 minus cos theta divided by sine theta. So that gives the value of derivative. Now, if you are putting the values at theta is equal to pi by 4, so right. So dy by dx at the point theta is equal to pi by 4. So that is equal to 1 minus cos pi by 4 upon sine pi by 4. Okay. Now putting its value, so you have what? Root 2 minus 1. Here you have root 2 minus 1. Check it. So if you are putting its value and simplifying, you have the value of derivative at theta is equal to pi by 4 at root 2 minus 1. So find the equation of tangent. So you're right. So the equation of tangent is y minus y1, the value of y1 is here pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2. So you put it there, pi by 4 plus 1 by root 2 is equal to root 2 minus 1, means here you have dy by dx at the given point, and x minus x1. So the value of x1 is 1 plus 1 by root 1 plus 1 by root 2. So in this way, here you have, just check it. It be clear? बेटा ये स्टेप यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया सबको? Now simplifying it. What you do, here root 2 minus 1 is multiplying to each of the term. So here you have root 2 minus 1 into x. Root 2 minus 1 into x. And if root 2 minus 1 is multiplying with minus 1, so you have minus root 2 plus 1. And yes, that be multiplying with 1 by root 2. So here you have 1 and minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2. And here just only you have to arrange all the terms which are given here. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, beta. So you write it in simplest form. So that can be written as root 2 minus 1 into x. First you write in this way, root 2 minus 1 into x, and here you have y terms of y, so you write here minus y, and then you transfer all the term to right side. So that is equal to 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 means root 2 here. So here you have root 2 minus 2, yes, minus 2 plus root 2 plus, oh, sorry, yes, this root 2. So write here 2 root 2. That is equal to 2 root 2 minus 2 and minus pi by 4. Minus pi by 4. So that gives you equation of tangent. So you can take here 2 common. You can take here 2 common. So that can be written as root 2 minus 1 into x minus y is equal to 2 common. So root 2 minus 1 minus pi by 4 is your answer. So that is your answer. Note it. In the same way, write next question that was asked in 2010 and 14. Okay, and yeah, same type of question is here also. Means the curve is in parametric form, and you have to find the equation of tangent and normal both. So you write, find the equations of tangents and normal. Find the equation of tangent and normal at the point T. At the point T on the curve x is equal to a sine x is equal to a sine cube t, a sine cube t, and y is equal to b cos cube t, b cos cube t. Okay, means here you have to find the equation of tangent to the given curve at the point t. Okay, so at the point t, so that values of x and y are also the your required point, means that gives the value of x1 and y1. So this x and y can be treated as x1 and y1 here. Okay, so you proceed. So first you write its derivative dx by dt. So that is equal to 3a sine square t into cos t. 3a sine square t into cos t, and dy by dt is equal to minus 3b cos square t into sine t, into sine t. So in this way you have the value of dy by dt and dx by dt. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, dx by dt. Okay, now putting its value, so you have minus 3b cos square t sine t upon 3a sine square t cos t, sine square t cos t. Understand? So here 3 and 3 is cancel out, 1 power of sine is cancel, and 1 power of cos is cancel out. So what is left? So here you have minus 3b cos t upon a sine t, upon a sine t. So that gives the value of dy by dx at the given point t, at the given point. So 3 is also cancelled. So here you have only b by a, minus b cos t upon a sine t. Now you find the value of equation of tangent. Okay, so right. So the equation of tangent is y minus y1. So the value of y1 is b cos cube t is equal to the slope of tangent. So you write minus b cos t upon a sine t into x minus x1 is equal to a sine cube t. A sine cube t, you write in this way. Now what you do, you have to take cross multiply, means a sine t is multiplying to left side and minus b cos t to right side. So right, or here you have ay sine t, just write in this way, ay sine t minus ab cos cube t into sine t is equal to minus bx cos t plus ab sine cube t into cos t minus bx cos t plus ab sine cube t into cos of t. You write in this way. Understand? Now you have to write it as equation. So what you do, first of all, you have to write the terms of x and then the terms of y. You write in this way, and then that is the constant terms, right? Or that be written as dx cos of t, and the terms of y. So you have by sine t. Understand? And then here you transfer all the terms, I mean constant term, to right side, and taking ab sine t cos t common, ab sine t cos t common. So you have sine square t and plus cos square t, which is 1. Sin square t plus cos square t, which is equal to 1. So your equation of tangent is equal to b cos t into x plus b sin t into y is equal to ab sin t into cos t. AB sin t into cos t, that gives the equation of tangent. In the same way, if you want to find the equation of normal, so what you do, you have to change the slope of tangent, means take the reciprocal of that and change its sign. So in this way, you have the equation of normal. So you write it. So the equation of normal is y minus y1. So you write b cos cube t, b cos cube t, okay, and is equal to, here you write a sin t upon b cos t, a sin t upon b cos t into x minus x1, a sin cube t, a sin cube t, okay. In the same way, here you take also the cross multiply, and you will have your result. So take it. So b cos t is multiplying here. So you have b cos t into y minus b square cos to the power 4t is equal to a sin t into x minus a square sin to the power 4t. A square sin to the power 4t, you have to write it. Now that can be written a sin t into x minus b cos t into y, okay, and transfer this term to right side. So you have a square sine to the power 4t minus b square cos to the power 4t, that gives the equation of normal. That gives the equation of normal. So from all these questions here, you see that you are able to find the equation of tangent or normal whenever uh, the point on the curve is given. Means here in each of the question, the point on the curve is given. Understand? Means point of contact is given, and here you using that to solve its question. Means equation of normal and tangent. But sometimes some conditions are given, point is not given. So with the help of that condition, you are able to find the point of contact, and then you that means write their equation of tangent or normal, okay. So that type of questions are also there. So you write next question that was asked in 2005 and 2007, okay. So you write so that, yes, लिखो बेटा, so that the line, so that the line x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, so that the line x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 touches the curve, touches the curve y is equal to b into e to the power minus x upon a. Yes, write it. Y is equal to b e to the power minus x upon a at the point where it crosses the y-axis, where it crosses the y-axis. Okay, are you noted? सभी लोग नोट कर लिया इसको?
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो बेटा जरा ध्यान से समझो क्वेश्चन क्या करना चाह रहा है. मीन्स here you have to show that this line, means this line is a tangent line actually. You have to show that this line touches the given curve at the point where it crosses the y-axis. It crosses the y-axis. So what you do, just you here build up the concept. Here suppose you have y-axis, understand, and suppose your curve is given like that. This is your curve, means you have, first of all, you have to find this point, means point of intersection of the given curve at y-axis. And you know, that can be obtained by putting x is equal to 0, because you know, for y-axis x is equal to 0. So if you're putting x is equal to 0, in that case you have the point on y-axis where the curve intersect, and at that point you trying to find the equation of tangent. Understand? So at that point you find the equation of tangent, and if that equation of tangent is seen as the given line, yes, your answer is proved. Question is proved here. Getting everyone?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है बेटा, चलो तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. एंड हियर यू ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन at the y-axis. Okay, so you suppose here you have first equation. That is your first equation. So right, putting x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 in 1. So you have y is equal to b into e to the power 0. So you have b. Means at the point 0b, curve intersect y-axis. Understand? So the coordinate of this point is 0b. 0b, and you're trying to find the equation of tangent at this point. So what you do, you have to differentiate it. So you can write in this way. Hence 0b is a point on 1. Means first curve. Here you have a point on this curve. So differentiating, so you have dy by dx is equal to b into e to the power minus x by a into minus 1 upon a. Minus 1 upon a. Now find its derivative at the given point. So dy by dx at the point 0b is equal to minus b upon a into e to the power 0. So overall, here you have minus b by a. So the value of its derivative at the point is minus b by a. Now you find the equation of tangent at the point 0b. So you write so equation of tangent is so the equation of tangent is y minus y1. So your y1 is b, is equal to minus b by a, means dy by dx at the given point into x minus x1. So what you do here, you divide left side by b and a to right side. Okay, so that can be written as y minus b upon b is equal to minus x by a. Minus x by a. Understand? You have the result like that, and then you write here you distribute it. So you have x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. So here you see that the equation of tangent obtained by you is same as the equation of line. So yes, write in this way. In finally you can write, hence the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 touches the curve at the point where it intersect y-axis, where it intersect y-axis. Okay, so in this way you can explain your result. Right, next question that was asked in 2010. Yes, right. Find the equation of tangent and normal. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to x minus 7, y is equal to x minus 7 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3. X minus 2 into x minus 3 at the point where it cut x-axis. where it cut x-axis. Okay, means you have to find the equation of tangent to the curve at the point where it cut x-axis. Understand? So trying to solve it. So first of all, you find the point of contact. So how you find it? Means this given curve, that means suppose that we given at first, cut the x-axis. So for x-axis, y is equal to 0. So you write it. For x-axis, y is equal to 0. Now if you're putting here in 1, so you have x is equal to 7. So that be a point on the x-axis, I mean 7, 0. So you can write, hence 7, 0 is a point on 1. 7, 0 is a point on 1. And you have to find its derivative at the given point. Understand? So check it. So what is its derivative? So just you see, if you differentiate here, what you write, here you applying quotient rule. Just check it. Dy by dx. For dy by dx, here you have x minus 2 into x minus 3, complete square of that. Complete square of that. Then what you write here, denominator. So x minus 2 into x minus 3. And the derivative of numerator, so you have 1 and minus numerator x minus 7 and the derivative of this quantity. So you write as it is, d by dx of x minus 2 and x minus 3. You can write in this way. Understand? Now you have to find its derivative at the point that means 7, 0. So you write in this way. So the value of dy by dx. So at the value of dy by dx at the point 7, 0. At the point 7, 0, right? Value of dy by dx at the point 7, 0. In denominator, you have 7 minus 2, which is 5. So square of that, so write 25. And here you have 7 minus 3, 4. And the square of that is 16. Here you have 16. And in numerator, 7 minus 2, so you have 5. And here you have 4. And rest all are 0. Because if you are putting here x is equal to 7, that complete term be 0. So here you have 20, so cancel it. So that is 5 times, and here you have 4 times. So your result is 1 upon 20. Means just why are you solving this step? Actually, no need to differentiate that term completely. Only you have to find the value of derivative at the given point. So if you applying here product rule and taking more time, so no doubt you have to lose your time. Only you have to put in here the values of x. Understand? So that's why you can write it in this way. So the value of derivative at the given point is what? 1 upon 2. Now find the equation of tangent and normal at the point 7, 0. Yes, write it quickly. The equation of tangent. So the equation of tangent is y minus y1 0 is equal to the slope to 1 by 200 x minus 7. So you can write x minus 20y is equal to 7. That gives the equation of tangent. That gives the equation of tangent. In the same way, if you want to find its normal, so do it also. Equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 20 into x minus 7. So you have 20x plus y, 20x plus y, and that is equal to 140. Is equal to 140. So that gives the value of normal. Understand? So I think all of you have clear to how to find the equation of tangent whenever the point of contact is given. So tomorrow we will discuss or study about such type of questions based on that means tangent and normal, in which the point of contact is not given, and you have given a certain condition, or sometime it is given the tangent and normal passing through the given point, but that point is not lying on the curve. So in this situation, how you find the equation of tangent and normal, we have to discuss all that topic.